So I'm in a Superior King in the Resort Tower, which is over by the pool, and pretty straightforward bathroom. I'm not going to go around and show you toilets and all that sort of thing, but pretty straightforward Excalibur bathroom. Nice room actually. I mean, it's probably the poshest room I've ever had in Excalibur, so I ain't complaining, and I certainly am not complaining over that. That is going to be so nice after I walk up and down the strip to come back and soak in that. Sadly on my own and not with my wife, but hey, next time, eh? And I've got a really good view out the window too. So I've got New York over there with the roller coaster and the arena thingy over there, T-Mobile, and a bit of Rio over there, back end of Aria, and then Resorts World, you can see that over there. New York, Planet Hollywood even. So yeah, good view actually. And got a little window by the bathtub, so maybe I'll do a vlog from the bathtub. No, you don't want to see that. That wouldn't be pretty. Okay, so this is the room. I'm gonna unpack, freshen up, and get down there and lose some money. See you later.